Dogecoin made some gains of 60% in a couple of days. We've retraced a little bit. We've seen a little bit of pumping, but it is not over with. There is something else that is cooking that is going to bring Dogecoin to the moon in the next few days. So stay tuned for this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, everyone? My name is Miles. I'm an expert in technical analysis, and every single day we make videos on Dogecoin. We do live streams. We keep you guys updated with the latest and greatest about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. We're able to call out big plays before they happen because of my expertise in technical analysis. So if you want to make a lot of money in crypto, you want to stay up to date, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. And if you guys want to get access to when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies all day long, you can join the Patreon, which is in the link in the description below. I also offer classes that can help to build your portfolio. I do coaching and consultations. We have a 4,000 member Discord, which you should check out. Join the Patreon through the link in the description below. And if you want to enter into win 200 Doge this weekend, every single Saturday I give away Dogecoin or money, and this weekend I'm giving away 200 Doge. If you want to enter into win, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and you will enter in to win and be possibly selected to win the 200 Doge this Saturday. Go ahead and hit that like button if the pumping is not over with for Dogecoin. If you believe Dogecoin still has more legs to go ahead and hit the support for Dogecoin. Let's see how many of you support and love Dogecoin through the likes. And let me know in the comments below. Are we going to pump on 6/9? Do you expect 6/9? June 9th is going to be a huge day. We will be making videos of that later. But in this video, we're going to be talking about something else. But let me know in the comments below. What are your thoughts with 6/9? All right, as was expected, Coinbase Pro listed Dogecoin approximately 12 p.m. Eastern time, which I believe is 9 p.m. Pacific. It was not released immediately. There was some time, 10, 15 minutes, which we watched live. We did see some volatility. We did see it go up. We did see it go down. And after the hype of all of it, Dogecoin went down to about 37 cents. And then I put a buy alert right at the bottom and it started to bounce up. We're nearly 40 cents right now as I speak while I'm making this video, which is great to see. And there's a reason why it bounced up very quickly after the dying of the hype, which I will be sharing later in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I just want to mention briefly, a lot of you guys are asking me, okay, what is June 9th? What is going on? What is the significance of this? Elon Musk, one of his favorite numbers is 6/9, and a lot of the Dogecoin community is aware of this already. So the Dogecoin community, DogeTubers, YouTubers, we are all basically banding together, Reddit, Wall Street Bets, all of those people. We think that 6/9 is going to be a huge pump day. So I think with this great anticipation of 6/9, there's going to be a lot of volatility. There's going to be a lot of people buying into this anticipations for 6/9. So what I think is going to be happening is there's going to be a lot of hype, which will possibly push up Dogecoin maybe to 69 cents. I would not put it past Dogecoin to go to 69 cents before the hype. So the way I'm going to be playing this out is I am going to be buying the rumor, selling the news, 100% sure. I'm going to be selling June 8th, probably that night. If we are pumping that night, I'm selling that night, hands down, and then I'm going to buy the dip. Because every single time, every single day there's an event. I've been telling you guys this forever. Every single day there's an event with Dogecoin. We see on that day the dumping, the dropping on that day. And the days before it continues to happen over and over and over again. There's big pumping. So buy the rumor and sell the news. If you are trying to stay ahead of the market, that's how you can time it and win pretty much 99.9% of the time. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is only for entertainment purposes. You should always do your own due diligence and research before buying any crypto. And if you want a really good platform to buy Dogecoin or cryptocurrencies or stocks like AMC, use my WEBULL link in the description below. If you deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200, which you can immediately sell, buy Dogecoin with or any cryptos with, or just send it to your bank account, whatever you want to do. All right, so the information is here. The reason why we pumped is because now Coinbase, the regular Coinbase, is going to be listing Doge, as I have said. Look, Coinbase says just going to leave this here. We see the Dogecoin flipping. What does this mean? Isn't there Coinbase Pro, Coinbase? No, Coinbase Pro and Coinbase are different entities owned by the same company, but they're different platforms, different entities to a different. So what is going to be happening? I don't know when it's going to be happening. Maybe in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow. Usually it takes a couple of days. We saw this with Cardano. Cardano on Coinbase Pro was listed. A couple days later, it was like the Sunday, it was listed on regular Coinbase. And there's a lot of volatility on that day. So I think there's going to be another pump. Once they announce that they're going to be listing on Coinbase, there's going to be a big pump. It's going to hit a peak, and then the day that it gets listed, you'll see some volatility and probably another drop exactly like we've seen today. But let's go ahead and do some technical analysis. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Let's see where we're headed, how we're going to play this, levels of support, resistance. Let's take a look at some other cryptocurrencies as well. And just to get a good recap on the market, we're seeing just incredibly bullish movement with each and every crypto. We have Ethereum continuing to recover, Cardano killing it, Bitcoin killing it, VeChain killing it, Ethereum Classic doing pretty good. And let's go ahead and look at AMC. Look at AMC crashed a good bit, all the way from the highs of $73 to a low of 50. Where did we actually hit? 37, and we bounced up, and some volatility in that. GameStop, $258. Pretty cool to see that. But let's go ahead and get into Dogecoin. And look, we're getting a bounce with Dogecoin right now. I just called out this bounce right at the bottom, the exact bottom. And if you would have bought this when I announced it, you'd be up about 5%. But I believe we're going to be continuing to go up. We are going to be seeing some volatility because of the news and the listings and things like that. But a lot of you guys have been calling out the bullish flag. I don't even need to call out what these things are because you guys announce it in the live chat when we do our live streams, and you guys are nailing it on the head. Look, another bullish pennant, and we keep seeing this thing play out. Look, over and over again, the same pattern. Look at this bullish pennant. So honestly, we came down and found support approximately this level, which is about 37 cents. That is the level of support right here. We bounced up about 5%, and now we are close to 40 cents. So what I think is going to be happening is we're probably going to be consolidating for a period. It all depends on the crypto market. If the crypto market continues to move up, this, that, and so forth. But we must understand there's a bunch of coming catalysts in the relative short term. Yes, a bunch of catalysts. We have the Robinhood wallets, but especially we have June 9th, which is going to be coming next week. So if we are comparing and thinking about the long term, especially a week out or so, for Dogecoin, we understand that there's a bunch of catalysts. We have the regular Coinbase listing most likely going to be happening in less than a week. That's my opinion. I'm not aware of that for certain, but based on that tweet, it looks like we will be getting that very soon. So I think there's going to be catalysts that will bring us past this level of resistance, about 44 cents. And I think we will get past that. 44 cents will probably become our new bottom. But I'm looking forward to heading into the 50s. We need 50 cent back. Yes, we need to be back in the 50 cent range, which I think will be happening by next week. I think we'll be in the 50s. And then we will probably see the 60s soon after that. Just as like summer is approaching, the warm weather is approaching. And yes, we are recovering. The warm weather of winter, the warm weather of summer is coming back to cryptocurrencies. Yes, we had a massive run up for a long time. Now we were cooling off. We had a little bit of a winter breeze, but we are moving back. We are recovering, as I have said, and that's what I think is going to be happening. So if you guys like today's video, please hit the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family. Check out the Patreon and the link in the description below. Join WEBULL if you want a good platform, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.